one major important update about the CTO tokens is CTO wallet submission started. The CTO token airdrop has concluded. A big thank you to everyone who participated. Wallet submission details. Submission period September 11 through to September 18th. That is just 7 days for you to submit your wallet address to the CTO. Okay, so if you want to connect your wallet address, you go to the me section, then at the top section here you click on this icon, then you search for the CTO. This is the CTO. You click on it, then you see it says link withdraw address. You click on that, then the withdraw address, you go to MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, make sure you download MetaMask from Google Play Store or App Store, then you store it and you follow this process. You go to MetaMask. At the top you see Ethereum main network. You click there, then you change it to core blockchain mainnet. You see core, you click on the core here, then you scroll down, then you click on the receive, then you copy your core address, then you go back to the Satoshi app and paste it. So if you don't see the core blockchain here, then you see at the trade section, you see this browser icon. You click there, then in the search bar, search for scan.core.dao.org. You search for it, then you scroll down, then you see add core network. I have added mine, so when you click there, then you follow the on-screen instructions to connect your core blockchain network wallet. Okay, then from there you select the core blockchain mainnet. To get your core address, then you copy your core address and go to the Satoshi app, then the address you copied, you paste it here, then you enter the asset password. If you are first time linking your wallet address to any of the ongoing crypto projects on the Satoshi app, you will be required to input your asset password. Your asset password should be different from your login password. Okay, click on CTO link, withdraw, confirm. Then a 6-digit code will be sent to the email address that you used to register on the Satoshi app. You go to the email address and then you copy the code and go back to the Satoshi app and paste the code there. Then you click on confirm. Then you say CTO withdraw address link is successful. That means you have successfully linked your wallet address to the CTO tokens. So when it gets distributed and listed, you receive your tokens in your MetaMask, as simple as that. Here is the talk tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning crypto, airdrop and tokens, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video.